There is a recruitment company, and we specialize in foreign engineers living in Japan. So through our website, candidates can register their interest, we check their profile, and then we recommend them jobs that are suitable for them. It's definitely been great to have experts for marketing and just to take care of all of our presence outside, to reach out to potential candidates or our customers, because so that we can focus on doing the recruiting part instead. And I've been really been appreciative of how creative you've been and like proposing different ways of doing things, because you're the expert and like you explain it very easily in a very understandable way. And then if I'm not not an expert in that field. So, and I'm been especially thankful of you just being candid and saying this month we've tuned down the cost because we didn't think it was like a high volume month. So that honesty and transparency is really appreciated. And seeing the numbers every week has been really useful as well.